in the back of your head, is she cheating on me? That's there too, right?
That is there. But it's
fair enough.
But there was multiple thoughts.
Multiple thoughts.
Yes.
All right, that's fair enough. So you go inside.
Spoiler details are in the video description, and the full results of all charges in the case are laid out at the end of the video.
I'm Detective Ruin with Clearwater.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir. You understand you're under arrest, right? Do you know what the charge is? Okay, at this time it's first-degree murder. Okay, but there's, more than one side to a story, okay? So here's what I'm looking at, okay? I got somebody that shot. I got someone that witnessed it. And I got somebody that's deceased, okay? The deceased person isn't going to tell their story. The witness told their story, okay? But I'd like to get from you what happened, so I can determine, do we make the right charge? Do we not make the right charge? What exactly occurred? Okay, but before I talk to you, I need to read you something. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Have you ever been arrested before?
Yeah, and I've been on the opposite side of a homicide as well.
I know. About your dad?
Yes.
Okay, well, I'm sorry to hear about that. And I understand that can be very traumatic. And, that could cause us to, do some things and make some bad decisions sometimes.
Try to make a bad decision.
Okay. Well, you have been arrested before, right?
Yes, sir.
So you have had your rights read to you, sir?
Yes.
Okay, I got to read them to you again, all right? You have the right to remain silent. If you give up the right to remain silent, anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer before being questioned and have a lawyer with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before and during any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Having that in mind, would you like to tell me what happened?
My mom told you already. I heard everything.
Okay, that is pretty much hearsay, I can put it in a report, but it's...
But I wouldn't be able to have a lawyer here present now.
What's that?
I wouldn't be able to have a lawyer present.
Do you have one you can call?
I call my grandfather and he's a lawyer.
Okay, we just talked to your grandfather. I guess that guy hasn't called him back. It's up to you. You can have a lawyer, you cannot have a lawyer. I mean, we're probably not going to be able to get one tonight. It's your choice. I'm not forcing you, I'm not coercing you. It's totally up to you.
I wouldn't have a bond if anything were to happen.
What's that, sir?
I wouldn't have a bond if I went to jail.
If you went to jail, you're looking at a zero bond.
Okay. So, I went to, my girlfriend had messaged me and called me and told me to go to her mom's house. And
Okay, who's your girlfriend?
Kaitlyn Nash.
Okay.
And, I went to her mom's house and she wasn't there. And on my way to rent the car, I decided to stop at her house.
What car did you rent?
I did rent a car.
You went to rent a car but never rented one?
Yeah.
So how'd you get to her house?
Uber.
Uber? Okay.
And, basically when I got there, she wouldn't answer the door.
Mm-hmm.
And, I heard a guy's voice in there.
Mm-hmm.
And I was yelling for her name and she wasn't saying anything.
Mm-hmm.
And so I got worried. She's a dancer.
Mm-hmm.
And she has like clients and stuff. I was thinking maybe she went and like her client was taking advantage of her or something like that.
Okay.
And basically I got scared and I went and I kicked the door
Did you have a key?
Yes, I did have a key.
Did you unlock anything?
Yeah, I unlocked the door. And then, but it was deadbolt, so I basically just pushed on it.
It was a deadbolt or another lock?
It was deadbolt.
Okay, so you kicked the door in?
Yeah. So
Okay.
I kicked the door in, I started yelling, and she still wasn't answering, but I heard someone like moving around, and when I got in there, I turned on the light, and I seen her, and then I turned around, and there was a male, and a 40.
40, what?
I'm not sure the brand.
You don't know what brand it was?
No, it was a 40, decent size, I think, medium.
So where do you carry that at?
I had it in my backpack.
In your backpack?
Yeah.
What color's your backpack?
Black.
Any designs on it or anything?
No design.
What was in your backpack?
It was just clothes and a gun.
Clothes and a gun?
Yeah.
Okay, so you
I
got...
was planning on going over to her house because she invited me to her mom's house.
Okay.
And when I got to,
Okay.
and I went to her house.
Okay.
And I was thinking maybe like her customer picked it up from her house
Okay.
or from her mom's and brought it to her house or something like that.
Okay. Right there to clarify something.
Mhm.
The gun was in the backpack, correct? Trying to help you out. I mean, if I could get the gun back, that'll go a long way. Where would I find that gun?
Brooksville, I don't know any of the streets or anything over there.
Where'd you throw it?
That's what I'm saying. I don't know. I just know that it's in a safe location.
It's safe.
Yeah.
What's the safe location?
I don't know.
How can you say it's
I
safe?
would be able to show you, put me in the car, and I showed you where it is, but
You could show us where it is. What's it in?
the purse.
It's in a purse?
Mm-hmm.
And what's the purse in?
It's just a purse.
Is it just on the side of the road where anybody can get it?
That's what I'm saying. It's not a safe. I mean, it's in a safe location.
Is it on your mom's property?
No, it's not on my mom's property. I'm not allowed to keep guns there.
Whose property is it on?
It's not. I think it's public property.
So it'd be safe in a purse in public property.
It's like deep in the woods. I went and traveled like 2 hours in these woods in Brooksville.
You have to travel 2 hours in the woods to get to it?
Yeah,
Where are these woods at?
Brooksville. I'm not sure the name of the road or anything like that.
So how are you going to get us there?
How did you get there?
I walked.
For 2 hours in the woods?
I was scared straight, man.
What was Uber to pick you up? What type of vehicle?
I don't know, just a sedan. But it was a compact car.
Okay.
It
Color
was like a Hyundai Elantra. I think that's what it was.
What color was it?
Black.
Where'd you meet it at?
Courtney Campbell Causeway.
So you made your way out to the Courtney Campbell Causeway? Do you know? You know?
North
North on
19.
to...
Courtney Campbell Causeway.
So north on 19 isn't going to get you to the causeway. You have to turn on a road.
If it does from those apartments, it gets you straight to Courtney Campbell Causeway.
West 19.
Yeah. From the Bay Cove Apartments.
Well, there's another road.
Yeah, there's
What?
another road. Yeah.
We'll go off the bay and stuff. I passed all that.
Did you go down Gulf to Bay?
No.
You went straight.
Yeah, through the Target parking lot.
Okay. And then where'd you go?
Courtney, I don't know. It got picked up on the side of the road.
Okay.
I had it on my pickup location.
So you have an Uber account under your name?
Okay. We have your phone.
Okay.
Okay. Do we have permission to go and dump your phone and see if we can see all this?
No, I would not accept that. I would need to talk to my lawyer about that.
Okay. I've got a couple questions. Had you ever had an incident with them before?
I believe he was the same person that had jumped me when I was leaving that location previously.
And why did he jump you at that time?
I'm not sure. I was knocking on my girlfriend's door and she wouldn't answer, so I just
Didn't she
left.
come outside and talk to you?
Yeah, she came outside and talked to me and told
What
me,
did she tell
she
you?
told me to leave the property and she was calling the police.
Why?
I don't know. And then I was like, alright, screw this. We had already been fighting previously.
Okay.
And I had came with my clothes and stuff.
Weren't you supposed to go to New York or something?
Yeah.
With who?
With her.
Okay. Did you go to New York with her?
No, I did not.
Why not?
Because when I was leaving the property, 4 men approached me and they asked if I had knocked on the door, and I said yeah, and they just started beating me up.
All of them or one of them?
Like 2 or 3 of them.
Okay. And had you had any other incidents with this guy?
No. And I don't.
What does this guy drive?
I'm not sure.
You don't know?
Mm-mm.
You sure?
No, I'm almost positive it's a little Ranger truck.
What color is it?
Green.
What he drives?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. When you got to the apartment, you were going to meet her at her mother's house, right?
Yeah.
Did she ever text you and tell you not to come to the apartment that night?
She said that she was
Busy?
she said she wasn't staying at her, or she was staying at her mom's, and she was taking her mom's boyfriend on a flight.
Okay.
And I told her I'd meet her, and then I'm pretty sure after that she stopped answering me.
Okay. So if she was at her mom's, why'd you go to her house?
Because our apartment, and I didn't know what the hell was going on.
But, did you see the guns?
Yeah.
And what was that phone call about?
It was about, what the fuck she said?
You want me to remind you?
Yeah.
You want me to tell you?
Yeah.
You asked to come in, is that correct?
Yeah, I did ask her.
And what'd she say?
She said just leave. That's what she kept saying.
Just leave.
Just leave. Just leave.
Okay, just leave. And you said, I saw his truck, I know he's there.
No, I don't believe I said that.
You don't believe you said that, or you didn't say
I
that?
didn't say that.
So she asked you to leave. You talked to her, she's okay. She asked you to leave.
Well, I didn't know what the hell was going on.
So why'd you kick the door? Show of hands in here. Anybody know any dancers? How often do they get raped?
Girls get human trafficked all the time.
Alright. I'm trying to help you out here, okay? Just tell me what happened, to be honest.
I told you what happened.
You made a phone call to her before you went in.
Mm-hmm.
She told you not to come in. Okay. Have you and her been having problems?
We had problems like 2 weeks ago, and then we just started dating again.
Okay. You knew she was back with Mike, right?
No.
You knew she was with Mike before, right?
Like a month ago.
Right.
Like April.
And it was Mike's truck you saw in the parking lot.
No, I did not see his truck in the parking lot.
Okay. So you've been having trouble with her before?
In April.
Okay. How often does she record your phone calls?
Never.
Just curious, just a question I have. Okay.
What, she recorded my phone call?
I'm just asking you, how often does she record your phone
I
calls?
didn't think she recorded them at all.
Okay. Just asking. So what she's telling me is a complete lie.
What did she tell you?
What I just told you about the phone call.
Okay.
Is that
What
the
did she-
truth or a lie?
What did she tell me? What did she tell you about the phone call?
You don't remember our conversation?
What, about the truck?
Yes. And about I know he's in there.
No.
And then your last words were I'm kicking the door in.
No.
So there's more witnesses than just her.
You know there's a guy upstairs that heard this?
Okay.
And that he kind of walked down and he was peeking down and saw and heard some stuff.
Okay.
Be honest. Just be honest.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't think so.
You don't think so, what?
I don't remember fucking saying that.
You don't think so? Or were you high that night?
No, it was not high. I was completely sober.
Okay, do you drink?
No.
You don't drink? Were you an alcoholic?
previous. Well, I wouldn't say an alcoholic, but I've had a.
We don't drink anymore?
No, I don't drink
Okay.
anymore.
So you're as sober as a judge when you go that night?
Yes.
Okay. What I think happened, I've been doing this for 17 years. I've seen a lot of these cases. Not what I think, but pretty much I know what happened. Yes. Just hear me out and then let me know what you think. You're calling her all day. She said she was going to have you meet her at her mother's house, right?
Yeah, we were having a good conversation.
Yeah, of course, yeah. I saw some of the conversation. Her mother didn't want you over to the house that day for some reason. That's why she told you not to come over.
Yeah.
Okay? You're out doing whatever. You're texting her throughout the night, right?
Mm-hmm.
She's not returning those texts, correct?
Probably by the time that I said I was on her way to her mom's house, she stopped replying.
And what time was that?
8, I don't know.
So she quit replying. You're sending texts to her. She's not replying. You really care about her, right?
Kinda.
Kinda.
Yeah.
You're not really sure.
Yeah.
Well, you do care about her, right?
Well, I love her, but
You love her.
yeah. I don't know. It's
Okay.
difficult.
So she's not. What's the matter?
It's difficult to like.
Okay. So she quits responding to you. You know something's up, right? You know what time it is. You go by her house to see what's going on. You see his truck there. He's beat you up before, right?
Mm-hmm.
You probably went in there just to beat his ass, but who knows if his friends are around, right?
Mm-hmm.
This guy don't fight fair, right?
To give you the honesty, it's impressive you got it right, but I mean, you see the shit in there, but
Did you call her and say, I know he's in there?
I said I know someone's in there.
You didn't say it was him?
I didn't know who it was. I was scared for my life, and I wanted to make sure she was okay.
Did you say I saw the truck?
Yes, I just said I seen a truck in the visitor parking lot, but I did not know it was his truck.
Okay.
Because
Did you tell her you were going to kick the door in?
maybe, I don't know.
Okay. So, you realize he's there.
I realized someone's there, and I'm not sure if it's him or if it's one of her customers or what the hell's going on.
Okay, fair enough,
I've
fair
never
enough.
seen the truck before.
That, in the back of your head, is she cheating on me? That's there too, right?
Then it's there, but it's
Fair enough.
But there was multiple thoughts.
Multiple thoughts.
Yes.
All right, that's fair enough. So you go inside. And did you confront her somewhere around the bedroom? Is that fair to say?
No, I don't think I confronted her. It was just it went in, and I turned the lights on, and she started grabbing on me.
Okay.
Which lights did you turn on?
I don't know. There's this little lamp.
In the bedroom?
Yeah, and there's in the bedroom.
Okay.
Somebody was fighting with me. I don't know if it was her or him, but well, actually it was her. Now that afterwards, I found that out.
She was fighting with you?
Yeah, but I didn't know it was her at first. I
Okay.
didn't know.
How'd you find out afterwards? Okay, let's see here. Are you cuffed?
Mm-hmm.
When you're young cuff them, you're not going to be a problem, right?
Dude, no, dude. I
have to ask.
Can you say that for me, boss?
Yeah.
Are you right-handed or left-handed?
I'm right-handed.
Okay.
Go take a seat. I'll take the other one off here.
Okay, Detective Beaver's going to stand over here. What you're going to do, just so I can understand, okay, is stand up for me. What happened to your backpack?
Nothing.
You took it with you when you left?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, have a seat. Is there anything else that you think you need to tell me, or you think I need to know, or something you want to say on your own behalf? Or?
I have a question for you. How long have you been staying at your mom's house?
Since January.
January.
Okay. That's where your clothes are and everything?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
The bullets in the nightstand. When you used to live there, Which side of the bed did you sleep on?
Right. If you go into the room, if you look at the bed from the front, it'd be the left side.
Okay.
Away from the door.
Were you there from the 3rd of July to the 4th? Did you spend the night there?
3rd of July to the 4th.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. While you were there, did you break a gun or something?
Not at her house.
Okay. But you had a broken gun. So if she said you were there and said you had a broken gun, that's fair to say?
Yeah, I wasn't there with the broken gun though.
Okay, that's fine. The .380 ammunition in the nightstand, is that yours?
Yeah.
Okay, what does that go to?
That goes to 380, that's gone.
That's gone.
Is that from Hillsborough?
Huh?
Is that the gun you got caught with in Hillsborough?
No, I never got that gun back.
Okay.
It's a 380.
Did you buy it on the street?
Fuck. I don't want to say it. It's not my friend, but...
So you bought it on the street, basically.
No, I didn't buy it on the street.
What's his name?
I just don't want them to be disappointed in me.
When did you buy it?
I didn't buy it.
When did he give it to you?
Did he give it to you to keep, or did he give it to you to borrow?
I'd rather have a lawyer for this question.
Okay.
This is gonna get brought up in court and he's gonna hear about it.
Is it his revolver?
No. It's not a revolver.
What kind of it? No. Okay.
I just think it's only get shot on 4th of July. And my 380 had broke, so I grabbed the other gun.
What you said? Did I hear you right? You said you were going to get shot on the 4th of July?
I watched someone get shot in the leg in the East Lake apartment.
Oh, okay.
So
you got it for protection.
I did.
We can't answer that.
You can't answer that, but it's like if we're talking here, it's almost like a show of trust that I told you something, and now I can show you. But that's completely up to you.
We can't make you any promises or anything like
Yeah,
that.
we can't make any promises. We can't make you do it. It's the
Well, how's the case looking right now? Because the complete accident.
Well, hearing what you're saying is changing the flavor of it. So I'll go out and do some more interviews, some more digging.
I don't want to go to prison.
Okay. I mean, it was an accident, right? And she was behind you when it happened, and she pulled your backpack.
Yeah.
Okay. Did she say anything to you during this?
Just leave, that was all I heard.
Okay.
But it was Stewie and just leave, but she wasn't saying just leave until like I got to the door.
Okay.
And I didn't know what was quite going on, and then I heard a guy's voice, and I had called, and it was just I think I had called, and then I went to the door, unlocked it, and I was like yelling in there, and
Right. I'm going to go back. I'm going to look into it a lot harder.
but like it's my apartment, like I'm on the lease.
Let me get something straight though, okay? Just because you're on the lease doesn't mean it's your apartment.
Do you live there?
Our apartment, it's on my license, and
We know you've been staying at your mom's since January. All right, we know that.
yeah, but I'm there every single week.
Yeah.
I'm going back and forth. I'm literally at my mom's house for work.
Right.
That's why I moved out. I wasn't making enough money yet in Clearwater.
You guys did break up, right?
Not when I left.
You guys break up, you get back. You break up, you get back.
Yeah, constantly.
Okay.
But we got into a fight, and then the next day I was still living with her, and we basically talked about how I wasn't making enough money living there, and that I needed to go move. Well, she was mad about my stuff being at her house, So I got it moved to my mom's house, but we were still together. But I mean, we broke up and got back together multiple times while I was at my mom's house.
Where's all your property?
It's at my mom's.
Okay, your clothes, everything.
Mm-hmm.
And you've been at your mom's since February.
She said January.
January.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. And you occasionally stay at her place. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Are we understanding
It's
each other?
like 3 days I stay at her house and 4 days I stay at my mom's.
Okay. So you were there on the 3rd. We discussed that, right?
Yeah, it was,
Prior to the 3rd, when was the last time you were there? Do you know?
I'm pretty sure I was there the 2nd, the 4th, or 2nd, 3rd, 4th.
Did she give you a key?
Yeah, I have her key.
When did she give you that key? I know when she gave it to you, but I want to see how honest she's being.
I think the day before I left.
Day before you left for her.
To go back to my mom's.
And when was that?
Or no, it was 4th of July. It was 4th of July.
And did she give you the key to lock up because you're going to have some friends over?
Because I was going to have some friends.
No. She was leaving to go see some friends, right?
Yeah, she left and went to go see some friends.
So you had a key to lock up?
Yeah.
Okay.
But she gives me her key every week. That happens all the time.
So she gives it, she takes it, she gives it, she
Yeah.
takes it. So it's not like you just have free access to walk in there at any time then?
If I ask her, she'll leave the key for me.
Right, you have to ask permission though, you can't just go walk in, correct?
You have no clothes there.
I have clothes there.
You said all your stuff's at your mom's
So
house.
I have like I don't know, like a weekend's worth of outfits there.
We searched the whole place.
And you didn't see any of my outfits.
No male clothes.
Are you serious? Did you guys go on my side table?
They tore the whole place up. I'm not the guy that searched it, but the guy that did. There's pictures
No, I
of
have
everything
two
photographed.
polo shirts in there. I have a polo shirt in her closet. I have a pair of boxers and 2 pairs of socks. I promise this should be there.
Okay. And we didn't see a toothbrush there. You have a toothbrush
Yeah, I
there?
have a green toothbrush there too.
Sure.
And soap. Yeah, I promise.
You shave, right? You
Yeah.
didn't see him, right?
I have a razor right in her bathroom.
Where's it at?
It's on the little hanger thing.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else you think we need to know? I'm being impartial here. Stewie, let me explain something to you. If I wanted to, I live an hour and a half from here, okay? If I wanted to be a dick, I already have a warrant for your arrest. I don't even need to talk to you, okay? Well, I'm not like that. I want to get all sides of the story and let the chips fall where they may, okay? So it's fair for everybody.
Mm.
All right. Is there any questions you have for me, or? But if we wanted to, we
could find in the dark.
Yeah.
That's a 2-hour walk in the woods.
It's like an hour walk in the woods.
there's nobody driving back there.
Might be able to drive back there.
Where are these woods at?
It's in Brooksville.
Go and come up for a minute. Let's talk. We gotta talk to somebody about that.
Yeah.
These people send me death threats and
Who's sending you death threats?
all this fucking family and shit. There's all, you don't come to Pinellas, we'll cut your head off and all kinds of shit.
Take a seat back.
You believe in God?
No.
No.
I wish I
He
did.
believes in you. Listen to me. He believes in you. So listen. He knows that we're all sinners, and we're all his children, and he knows we're gonna fuck up. And he's ready for you to ask for forgiveness for your sins. That's what he's there for. Okay.
Stuart Beck was originally charged with first-degree murder in the July 2022 shooting death of Michael Conrad in Clearwater, Pinellas County, Florida. His trial began in mid-July 2026 in Pinellas County Circuit Court after a stand-your-ground immunity claim was denied. As of August 10, 2026, no verdict, conviction, or sentencing has been publicly reported. Beck has remained in continuous custody since his July 2022 arrest, and the case remains pending with no final legal outcome established.